Hey guys, in this video, we're going to look at the top 5 best Earl Grey Tea brand available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered the best Earl Grey Tea brand for its quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best Earl Grey Tea brand reviews, consumer ratings, and reports. Number 5. Twinings Earl Grey Tea K-Cups. This is a fine black tea where you will find a perfect blend of the aromatic citrus fruit flavor of bergamot. Each K-Cup comes with a built-in coffee filter, so there is no need to measure anything. Easy operation. The aroma and flavor are rich but don't overpower the essence of the tea. Number 4. Mighty Leaf Black Tea, Organic Earl Grey. The citrus flavor of this tea is refreshing but doesn't taste like orange juice. It is a 100% organic tea, which doesn't contain any artificial ingredients. The freshness of the tea remains for a long period of time, as tea bags in the pack are wrapped individually. Number 3. Revolution Tea Black Tea, Earl Grey Lavender. A perfect tea for those who want to begin their day with a cup of tea. The flavor of tea doesn't fade away quickly, as the packaging has been done properly. The flavor of lavender and bergamot doesn't overpower each other in the essence of the tea. Number 2. Twinings Lady Grey Tea. The mild taste of this tea will be liked by those who find Earl Grey tea overly strong tasting. This tea conserves its original flavor and freshness without the loss of its original essence, as the box in which this tea comes is wrapped in virtually airtight cellophane. Plus, the tea bag is wrapped individually. You can create a hot cup of tea or even an iced tea with this blend of tea. Number 1. Twinings Classics Earl Grey Tea, Loose Tea. Tea bags are wrapped up individually in an aroma-tight foil and organized in one stack within the box. The taste of the tea is going to remain intact even after many years, as the box in which the tea bags are stored is wrapped in an airtight cellophane. The tea sweetens up in a great way when you add sugar, stevia, honey, or any other sweetener. Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of the products. And remember to leave a comment to let us know your opinion. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next videos.